In 2021, a 10-year fishing ban took effect in the pivotal waters of the Yangtze River to restore biodiversity. Many former fishermen have thus taken on new roles. 43-year-old Zhou Gang is one of them. After retiring from fishing, Zhou joined an assist patrol team in Yichang City, central China's Hubei province, to stop illegal fishing on the Yangtze River.
我做巡护队员已经3年了。原来我们是渔民，渔民上岸之后，经过层层筛选，最后才做巡护员。
The patrol team, to which Zhou belongs, has 11 members who are all former fishermen. They're responsible for patrolling the urban sections of the Yangtze River in Yichang. The Yangtze finless porpoise, which is under top-level state protection, is an important indicator of the Yangtze River ecology.
江豚在哪几个地方，每天都要巡视检查，基本上是天天都看得到。一旦看不到了，我们心里也着急，就要找它具体在什么位置。
So far, more than 700 assist patrol teams have been established in the entire Yangtze River basin, with over 25,000 patrol members. After years of efforts, the population of finless porpoises has risen from 1,012 in 2017 to 1,249 in 2022, marking a significant growth.
经过这几年我们的努力和国家的大力支持基本上江豚在宜昌已经安家了，心里还是蛮欣慰的。